In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download MetaMask Chrome extension. By the end, you'll have MetaMask installed in your browser and be ready to start setting up your wallet securely. First, open your browser and search for MetaMask Chrome extension. This is the quickest way to get to the official listing. On the results page, look for the Chrome Web Store link that says MetaMask Chrome Web Store. Avoid sponsored results that look similar. You want the official page on the Chrome Web Store. A quick authenticity check helps. Make sure you're actually on the Chrome Web Store and that the publisher name is correct. Once you're on the MetaMask listing, you'll see the option to add it to your browser. If you're on Chrome, the button will say Add to Chrome. If you're using a Chromium-based browser like Brave or Edge, the button will mention that browser instead. The process is the same across them. Click that button and your browser will show a confirmation pop-up. Choose Add Extension. The download is small and should finish quickly. When it's done, MetaMask will open a Welcome tab automatically. If you don't see it, look for the little puzzle icon in your toolbar. Open your extensions list and you can pin MetaMask so it's easy to access later. On the MetaMask welcome screen, you'll be asked to either create a new wallet or indicate that you already have an existing wallet. Pick Create a New Wallet if this is your first time. Choose the option to import if you're bringing an existing wallet over. Importing is only for users who already have their secret recovery phrase and know exactly where it is. Next, you may see options to continue with Google or Apple. This is an onboarding convenience some users prefer for sign-in or backup features. If you're comfortable with that, proceed. If not, you can continue with the standard setup. Either way, you stay in control of your wallet. You'll then be prompted to create a new password and confirm it. This password locks and unlocks MetaMask on your device. Use a strong, unique password and store it somewhere safe. Remember, this password is not the same as your secret recovery phrase. It only protects access on this browser. From here, MetaMask will guide you through the rest of the setup inside the extension. Follow those prompts, and when you're done, you're ready to connect to dApps and manage your crypto. Quick recap. Search for the official MetaMask listing, add the extension, confirm the install, choose to create or import, pick your sign-in preference, and set a strong password. That's it. Your MetaMask extension is installed and ready to go.